Look, Jonathan, we found the next monster. The cough stopper.
Does it stop coughs?
Worse, when it coughs, everything else stops. It's very dangerous. Oh, look, here comes a bloke.
This way, everyone. Come on, everyone. This way, everyone. Come on, follow me.
Oh. We need to be careful, Jonathan. Don't do anything ridiculous.
Look, Cashback, I found a hat full of poo.
Ah, what is that?
It's a hat full of poo, Cashback. It's a hat full of poo.
It stinks. Throw it away.
It's a hat full of poo.
I know. Throw it away.
It might be a clue.
It's not a clue.
But Cashback, it could be an adventure.
It's not an adventure. Chuck it away.
How often does one find a hat full of stinky poos?
We're monster finders, Jonathan. Our adventures are supposed to be about finding monsters, but they always end up being about your ass doing poos. At this point, the monster thing doesn't even matter.
Oh no!
What?
I added.
You added.
I couldn't stop myself.
You added to the hat?
Yep.
Now there's even more poo in the hat. Why would you add even more poo?
No, I don't know. I had an overwhelming instinct to do a little Jonathan poop in the hat. I can't fight instinct.
Yes, you can. Now throw it away.
Okay. Hup.
Not towards the monster, you idiots.
No.